What's up, Alan? I'm gonna try to do a inside the cab uh, sound by sound of the rev and of the acceleration. I'm about to get on the highway now, so we'll see if this works out. I mean, that's just a normal rev right there. If I can get, as long as there's no traffic, I should be able to get a nice rev up to speed, and you'll be able to hear the inside of the cab. Looks like we got a little bit of traffic, but I should be able to get something going. As soon as this one passes, wasn't too bad. Yeah, this is normal traffic. See if I can get some space and then slam it into sport mode. And that's about as loud as it gets in here.